With the point cloud function, you can seamlessly import 3D data of actual objects to obtain more accurate information. You can import point cloud files by attaching them as external references. Supported file formats are RCS, RCP, and more. A dialog box allows you to specify the location and other settings. The Orbit feature allows quick navigation and viewing of point data from any angle. The visual noise can be adjusted by setting the level of detail and point size. Each point of data can be adjusted by changing its transparency or stylized by changing its color style. These attributes allow clear representation of point cloud data. You can crop the selected point cloud through a polygonal, rectangular, or circular boundary to remove unnecessary data or extract the data you want. By applying the section plane function, you can obtain the projection or section of the plane or curved surface. Also, the type or other properties of the section object can be modified. Multiple intersection lines can be extracted from the section plane to represent the outline or boundary of the section. The Point Cloud Manager lists all point cloud items, and you can choose to hide or display them. Interested in the Point Cloud function? Download ZWCAD 2024 to start using it now.